Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can turn on the NFC feature on Samsung phones that support it. Before starting the process, you can support me by subscribing to my channel. To start the process, we enter the phone settings, we touch the connections option. On this screen you should see the NFC and contactless payments option if your phone supports it. We click on the option. On the page that opens, we turn on the setting at the top. In this way, we turn on the NFC feature. To use the contactless payments feature, after turning on NFC, you can click on the contactless payments option at the bottom and select your payment service. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.